Okay, going to start off 4.1 talking about one-to-one functions. A function is one-to-one if every element in the range corresponds to exactly one element in the domain. So you have to look at your y values and determine if there's one y value. For each y value, only one x maps to it. The horizontal line test is a visual test to determine if a function is one-to-one. Okay? It takes just a second. It's not too bad, especially if you get the visual side of it. Use the horizontal line test to determine if the following functions are one-to-one. If the function is not one-to-one, give an example of a y value that's mapped to by two different x values. Okay, the first one here is x squared, and you'll notice if I draw a horizontal line here, it hits it in two spots. Okay, and you'll notice that -2 and +2 here both map to 4. So here f of 2 equals f of -2, which equals 4. And since there are two values that map to 4, this is not one-to-one. Okay. Next, x cubed. X cubed is one-to-one because anywhere I draw a horizontal line, I'm only going to intersect the graph in one spot. Okay. This last one here, g of x, is not one-to-one. Probably the easiest place is to look here at the x-axis, but you'll notice various places it intersects in more than one spot. But here at on the x-axis, you know, f at -1 equals f at 1, which also equals f at 2, and all of those equal 0. So since they all map to 0, this one is not one-to-one. I should say that the first one here, or this middle one here, is 1-to-1. That's one-to-one functions.